Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Mr. Campbell from MrCampbellRocks.com here sharing you an update with Gmail and Mote, which allows you now to send a voice recording through Gmail. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you will want to install the Mote extension. You'll see it's right up here. If you have questions about that, you can click up here and there'll be a video on how to use Mote on other parts of Google. But when I click on Mote, it's going to ask for my permission to use in Gmail. You'll get this bright purple box here. You click on yes, and then you'll have some options. You'll see here that I have my max is 30 seconds. If you have a freemium or a paid account, you can go up to 1 minute and 30 seconds. And when I refresh this page, it's going to actually pull up the little Mote icon right down here next to the send or send later option in Gmail. So I'm going to refresh this page here. And you'll see now that I have this little Mote option here. What it's going to allow me to do is do a quick voice recording of 30 seconds or again 1 minute and 30 seconds and put that actually in the Gmail that I'm about to send. So I'm going to send it to myself so we can see what it looks like on the other side. This is a Mote recording that goes into Gmail. When you open it up, it'll actually, if you have Mote included or installed in Chrome, will play that for you, or it will take you to a separate website where you can listen to the Mote if you don't have it installed. To end the Mote, I'm going to click right here to stop recording. You'll see that it'll plug this in right in here. I can play this before I send it, which you're going to not hear the audio version because I have an additional mic plugged in. But this is where that would be right here. I'm going to send this now to myself and show you what it looks like on the back end. Now that you've got this recording here, you're going to see this little GIF right here of the Mote playing. I actually don't have Mote installed on this version or this user account of Google Chrome. So when I click here, it's going to take me to the Mote website and I will be able to listen to the audio recording that was just sent to me. It'll also advise me or encourage me to add this to Chrome. That's how you can add a quick audio Mote to a Gmail account and send it to anybody else, whether they have Mote or not. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and thank you for what you do for kids on a daily basis. If this video saved you time, energy, and frustration, go ahead and like, subscribe, and share it with your teacher friends. You can subscribe by clicking up here, or you can watch another video either here or here. Again, I love you, I appreciate you, and I'm glad that you're here.